Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset the low pressure warning light of your vehicle. In this case, it is an Audi A1. If you are seeing this type of signal, that is the signal for tire pressure monitoring system, short TPMS, the yellow one on the right side, as you can see. And at your heads-up display, there's some information about, have a look at your manuals. Okay, what does this says us? It says us that the air pressure inside our tires is too low. Maybe one tire, maybe two tire. It doesn't care. The signal says in a tire is the pressure too low, so we have to go to the gas or the petrol station, and we have to inflate some air. And of course, first we have to check because of a broken tire. If your tire is broken, you have to replace it first. Okay, but in this case, it's only a low pressure warning. So this will tell us our pressure is too low. Let's head up to the petrol station. Let's open the driver's side and have a look what pressure we have to fill in. In this case, it's 2.5 bar. Okay, let's start. Good information, as you can see. Let's head up to one of the tires. We have to refill on all tires, of course. So, extract the dust cover and then take the inflate machine and lock it on top of the value. Easy going, as you can see. Push it in and locked. Now, inflate the tire by 2.5 bar in this case, okay? You have to look like in the label inside your driver's door. Okay, it's inflated. Now, reassemble the dust cover. Okay, let's back inside. The TPMS light is also light up. So let's head up to the computer, go to service and control, air pressure, and save the new air pressure. You have to say yes, and now the car air pressure is saved. Good job, easy going. Now let's extract it. Good. And let's have a look. Oh, the TPMS warning light is off. Good job. So first, if you think that is a warning light of the TPMS, check the tire pressure, check it's broken, and then inflate it, and after that reset it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. See you next time. So soon.